students, how are you? I am Harshit and I will be taking your maths. Today we are going to study on the topic polynomials and subtopic division of polynomials. Before moving towards the division of polynomials, let us understand what is division. Okay, simple. You all have studied about divide 16 by 3. You might have studied in your lower classes. Everyone can do this. Okay. So, but before that, let me say what is 16. 16 will be your dividend. And 3 will be your divisor. As soon as I say you that divide 16 by 3, what you will do? First thing, you will write 16, you will write 3. Okay, so dividend and divisor. Now if I say you want to calculate it further, what you will do? You will write 5, 3 5s are 15. Okay, so how you have written 15 over here? It is 3 multiplied by 5. Okay, if 3 multiplied by 5, it is plus 15. What you have written? Multiplication of quotient and divisor. That is what you have written over here. Then what you will do? Are you adding 16 and 15? No. What you do? You change the sign of the lower digit. You change the sign over here so that it becomes 16 minus 15. So the answer will be 1 and you will stop over here. What is this 1? 1 becomes your remainder. What is this? This part is your quotient. What important thing over here you do? Change the sign. If it is positive, you will make it negative. If it is negative, you will make it positive. So if you know this, it will be very easy for you to understand division of polynomials. Okay, I hope you all have understood this much part. So students, now we will be dividing a polynomial with a polynomial. Divide polynomial this with polynomial this. So this part becomes our dividend and this part becomes our divisor. So first step, we need to do it in 4 steps, and first step is arrange the polynomials. You need to arrange the polynomials in normal manner, that is highest degree will be written first and then the lower degrees in descending order. So what is the highest degree in this polynomial? X square is the highest degree. So I write x square. Then what is the next degree that comes in descending order? That is 3x, x raised to 1 minus 3x and then the constant term. So this needs to be divided by, this polynomial also needs to be arranged in a highest degree form. So first will be x plus 2. Okay. Now if this is clear, then we can write this in this form. How do we write this? This way. The divisor is written over here. X plus 2. The dividend is written inside. X square minus 3x minus 10. So now we'll follow next step. Next step is find the first quotient. To find the first quotient, what we need to do? Divide the first term of dividend to the first term of divisor. Divide the first term of dividend to the first term of divisor. What is the first term of dividend? X square. X square divided by x. That is first term of divisor. What will be my answer? Answer will be x. And this x will become my first quotient. So I'll write x over here. What I need to write over here? Let us check it from here. What is written? 3 into 5, that is equals to 15. Means this term is multiplication of this term and this term. So here what I need to do? X multiplied by x plus 2. What I will get? X into x will give me x square. X into 2 will give me plus twice x. So here I will write x square plus 2x. The next step was changing the sign. So we'll change the sign over here. This will become negative. This will also become negative. So what will be my answer? X square minus x square will give me 0. Minus 3x minus 2x will give me minus 5x. And I'll bring down the next term. That will be minus 10. So this becomes my new dividend. What is the next step? Find second quotient by repeating step 2. Now once again we need to repeat the step 2, that is divide the first term of dividend to the first term of dividend. So next time here minus 5 is the first, minus 5x is the first term of dividend and first term of divisor is once again x. So what I'll get? I'll get minus 5, x will get cancelled and my answer will be minus 5. So I'll write minus 5 over here. Okay. Now once again what I need to write over here? Multiplication. Multiplication of minus 5 with x plus 2. So we'll directly multiply now. X into minus 5 will give me minus 5x. Minus 5 into 2 will give me minus 10. Next step, once again, don't forget to change the sign. We had changed the sign. So once again here we need to change the sign. So minus 5x plus 5x will give me 0. Minus 10 plus 10 will again give me 0. Which means there is no remainder. I don't need to go further. Yes, one more step is written over here, that is step 4. Repeat step 2 and 3 until the degree of divisor becomes greater than degree of dividend. Here you can see what is the degree. 0 is a constant term, which means which has a 0 degree, and the degree of this divisor is 1. So at this point of time the degree of this dividend becomes less than degree of this divisor. So you need to stop at this point. I hope this whole topic of division of polynomial is very clear to you. So till then, keep studying. We'll meet in our next lecture. Till then, stay safe, stay home, and all the best. Keep studying. Thank you.